Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off pre-collision system on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So in order to be able to turn off your PCS, all you need to do guys is access your steering wheel screen right here and just go to the settings. In order to be able to do that, just go ahead and click on these arrows right here in the left side of your steering wheel. So we're gonna click right until you find the settings icon right here, and then once you're here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find LTA, PCS, RSA, and so on. So the pre-collision system is PCS. In order to be able to disable it, just go ahead and click on the OK button right here. And as you can see guys, it's deactivated. So if you want to reactivate it, just click again on OK right here, and it's going to show you guys right here that it's activated. In this menu, you're going to find also some other options like the RSA, and as you can see guys right here, if you go to LTA for example, you're going to find the sensitivity and so on. Don't forget to go back once you finish, and then all of your changes will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.